Hi guys, it's me Mit002. I got my hands on the just released Xiaomi alarm clock. Okay, so this alarm clock is AI powered. Okay, so and here it is. Okay, so this alarm clock can be connected to the Wi-Fi, so you can send your notifications, alarms, countdowns, and reminders. Everything to this small alarm clock. Just looks like a power bank to me. At the back you can see the micro USB charging port. Up here it's the snooze or microphone on and off switch. Here is the mic in and mic out, definitely. Below we have the rubberized pad to prevent slip. Okay, so the design is pretty sleek. Okay, so we can try to talk to this little guy over here and tell him to sound off the alarm after 1 minute to remind me to drink water. The only problem is if you only understand Chinese. Okay, so 小爱同学，1分钟以后提醒我喝水。
已创建日历提醒，上午8点48分，我会提醒你喝水。
That's good. So it will remind me to drink water after 1 minute. Let's see what will happen after 1 minute. So 小爱同学，给我今天的天气报告。小爱同学，
我在。
天气报告。
北京今天晴转多云，8度到21度，西风3级，空气质量优。
Okay, it says that the weather report today in Beijing is cloudy and it's roughly ranging from 8 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius. And that's the weather report for today in China. Okay, so waiting for it to sound off the alarm after a minute. Okay.
喝水。
Oh, it told me to drink water.
喝水。
Drink water.
喝水。
Drink water.
喝水。
Shut up. Okay, so we turned off the alarm, and basically that's it for us. It can perform a little bit of more trick, like let me ask him something. Okay, the reply would be funny. 小爱同学，我饿了。我饿了。
要不给你开个热点呀
？Again， 小爱同学，
我在。
我肚子饿了。
饿了就吃吗？
That reply is very funny. I told him, I'm hungry. He said, it replied, AI replied, if you're hungry, then go and eat. Normally, Siri will tell you where to eat, but this one is pretty sarcastic for me. But it's funny in a way. Okay, so basically this is it for me. I'm Mit002. Thanks for watching.